Kak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 1 will explain the material regarding discussion making theory with the lecture Miss Reni Zahrana Putri SEMSI. Before that, allow me to introduce our group, which consists of Adinda Seva Semena, Andi Puput Apriliani, Cornelia Devi, Irwan Yudandra Yusuf, Tessa Oktavania Panjaitan. The following is the explanation. Decision-making theory. The theory of decision-making is a science that studies how to choose the right alternative that will become a decision and is related to an individual behavior in deciding some things. Decision-making is always accompanied by continuity and dynamics that encompass all other activities related to an organization. An important role in the decision-making process involves the examination of intellectual thoughts and requires strong scientific knowledge coupled with skill and mental maturity. The decision-making process. 1. Understanding and studying the basics of the problems. Leaders often confront the reality that difficult or hard to identify problems are not to the foundation of an issue. First, leaders systematically examine cause and effect relationship. Second, leaders analyze change or abnormal deviation in an ongoing problem. 2. Search and process significant data analysis. After the leaders identify and test the problem, they must formulate the next step. The leader's first step is to determine what data and information are need to formulate an accurate decision. 3. Development of alternative solution. The tendency to accept feasible alternative decision solution can help leader avoid failure in achieving optimal outcomes. Expanding the number of alternative solutions automatically prevents the tendency to make hasty decisions, guiding a leader to formulate more effective decisions.
Okay, education risks. To address risks in an organization, whether profit-oriented or not profit, the application of risk management is essential. This risk management discusses how to manage risks to a profit benefit and vice versa. It emphasizes that its risks can be systematical managed. The will yield systematic benefit and conversely. The goals and assumption of decision making. The goal of having a decision making a preventive is to support the development of a condition capable of maximizing expectation if the expected events have not yet occurred or do not materialize. Problem of risk reach decision making theory seeks to minimize potential risks that might emerge which will eventually be affected by decision making leaders. In making a decision, several suppetition need to be fulfilled for the implementation of the decision to have the desired impact. Number one, decision must be made rationally. And two, decisions are implemented for leisure optimization. Number three, decisions start with defining and stating the problem. Number four, decision makers formulate a comprehensive target. Number five, search for relevant data and information in a effort to generate multiple secret attack.
Decision-making concept. Decisions of decision-making can be applied in conditions of certainty, uncertainty, or risk. Decisions under condition of certainty depicts that every formulated decision solution will lead to a single consequence. Decisions under conditions of certainty have 8 simple attributes illustrating a systematic and explicit sequence of consequences. In conditions of uncertainty and or risk, the scans of the decision-making present two strategic approaches. One, the first strategy is called game theory, where this strategy delves deeper into the criteria of solution from a broader perspective, using assumptions from game theory or max-min rule. In linear programming, assignment method, transportation method, age, decision makers or leaders generally choose alternative solutions that contain the greatest benefit without weighing potential consequences. Two, the second strategy is to mitigate or eliminate the presence of uncertainty. So, decision making will result in more moderate risk by developing subjective probability assessments. In conclusion, we can identify several fundamental criteria that underlie the scans and method of decision making.
Fundamental criteria of the sequence and the method of decision making. 1. Decision maker. The decision maker is formulator, maker of decision taker, where this party has the autonomy to formulate and determine the final choice from several alternative solutions. Generally, this authority is held by personnel at the managerial leadership level. The decision maker must behave with rational awareness is causing an alternative and be prepared to bear the consequence that arise during the implementation of that alternative. 2. Objective. In the sequence of decision making, objectives are what the decision maker aims to achieve. Objective can be categorized into criteria such as general, specific, abstract, less important, etc. A leader might have multiple objective simulation, multiple objective. 3. Constraint. In achieving objective, the decision-making process will encounter several constraints. Constraints are as of even the originates from the internal and external environment, hindering individual in implementing the decision implementation. This variable reflects that some goals that are intended to be achieved might not be realized. For uncertainty, the future of business activities is filled with elements of uncertainty. Uncertainty is uneven where you know elements fall under a category assumption. The science of decision making has method to predict potential future events. When decision maker implement the decision making mechanism correctly, the percentage of uncurrently expect to do so. 5. Risk. Risk is gap between the desired outcome and the realized outcome. This gap increases a disparity of the deviation from the planted define what has of occurred in the violet.
Okay, 6. Utility. The concept of utility is introduced is economy and is like to the ability of product and service to satisfying human desire. In the science of discuss making, leader or must choose alternative solution that contain the greatest utility value. A leader prefer in the assessment and assessing utility value will be influenced by their perspective in facing risk. 7. Alternative. Alternative area a set action that are mutually executive concerning the entertainment of the goals. This means that if alternative occurs, it is ensured the alternative cannot be perfectly in cannot be self. 8. Consequent. Consequent are the impact that arise from action implemented by disguise makers. Benefits are the positive outcomes products market's action, the higher the positive consection, ability the lower the negative concept atau level of risk, cost, burden, dan each. That will be incarnate in the concept of decision making. A decision tree can provide a detailed recitation of both negative consequence resolution from the event. Decision making in the various conditions. Generating incoming information something or its various condition, such a curtain condition, under curtain condition, and conflicting condition. In curtain condition, the decision-making progress takes place without many alternatives. The decision made is already clear in the terms of the intern focus. In the undercurtain condition, the birth of decision is more complex, meaning that the probability or possible outcomes of the decision made are unknown. To avoid a problem is established in two products result first, gather as much information as possible, and use various decision-making methods. Okay, that's all the material we can convey. More of the less apologies. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.